Hello, in this video I will show you how to deal with a problem that is showing low oil pressure when idling on Opel Astra J 1.6i. So first we'll go into the car and start the car and see what happens exactly. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. So when I start the car and it's running for a couple of seconds, it says low oil pressure and the red oil light is on. When I press the gas, the low oil pressure warning is gone, but when I return back to idling, the low oil pressure comes up again. So there is only low oil pressure when the car is idling. This is usually happening when the oil and filter have been changed, and after the oil filter has been changed, sometimes it's showing low oil pressure. This is because when the oil filter has been changed, there is a valve inside the oil filter housing that sometimes gets stuck, sometimes gets broken, and that's why it's showing it doesn't want to open or it's broken. And when it's idling, it's not making enough pressure. So first we need to remove the oil filter, and then there is a valve on one of the sides that we need to see if it's broken or if it's just stuck. If this valve is broken, we need to change the whole oil filter housing. If it's only stuck, we might just get it going with fingers, and that's kind of the cheapest way. I actually haven't shown the valve in the video, but the valve is just on one side that you need to check what the problem is with that valve. With me, the problem was the valve was stuck, and when I pressed it a couple of times, it just started moving and everything became alright. The oil pressure was fixed. This is just one of the problems that might happen when there is low oil pressure. There also might be a problem with the oil pump or something else, but if it's happened directly after oil change, probably that is the problem. Thank you for watching.